station where the man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio.
All right, I be your fan of a movie be Akwaaba from Okoman 97.1 Global Sports. And I pense ya Tennessee fi Samiri Kopim se no do me no bebono ya Tennessee fin se agudie mu nsem ya de mu nkomo area ba I mean amana nsem be ba sanso na fisem and so na be ba and we said the English FA Cup matches so English Premier League 2 outstanding matches etume to dwa ni nyina nso no be wuram ya de mu amana ebo nyina aba and Ghana Premier League yes but Bet Power Premier League you know and also matches do na eto dwa and na say nya sim kuma ko pima say Manchester derby ekoso the Accra Sports Stadium Samson Kumasi baba yara na chese Krobia Sante Koroko and so any be chemi 19 na the boy ni de odan Kotoku house any dream self sin so no etume the boy brepem e be fie na san komoni nyina yen so na yetumi abedi and so no e wo fia executive producer you're a Kofi Anton ba for Samson na Kofi Okarajiman Pass on the Paradise Krobia Sante omunyina ofia DJ Zigibi DJ Donzip John Mark and so that boy I'm in streaming live on Facebook and new journey and Facebook there and I say Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook okwa na ni so wa join na jumedi no ay kama YouTube and so na ho YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on YouTube ni nyina no kwa na say wa subscribe and then so no be kan on jumedi no so wa follow na bibia I kama and I'll pay na CM confirm star 787 hash star 787 hash omo any kura mu and I'll pay idea good mu nsem and so no ba midin ya Kelvin Amponside call me A.K.A the boss player na just say ne pasolo atrasi mama solo Akwaaba na ide amana ne nsem no and so etumi aba solo and I'll pay bibia kama
Akwaaba de adon bibia bako
ya ma dida ye
bibia sheye
okay
ya sheye man you we need the na say bibia de the ye ti yembo tim na ba so ye betumi ahwe ase de endre kakra nke dwug ebom ba ni na mu no ye wini ye ti yembo ma ba so
okay
na enkrofo bi ntwen yen for Sunday yes ye nkasa but board ye be bonti yeah results be free ma ba na Sunday no yeah be fan sa
enkrofo bi ntwen for Sunday wo
amon ntwen say ya ne o ma na hye kokko no ba ye kokko no anu ya den ese mo de nti o mo ntwen yes ese so ya no wo bo na di kan hye first go a die
oh okay
o say Andra West Ham di kan hye go no so mo wie na the hand ye tactics kitu heavy na so sra na Ganacho ne de
ono sa boy no na me ni obi hwe game say ono no ofi bench ba ya na mempe because
of bench ba hard dream say
start obe assist
yes
ono ne de no
o start ya on she there
yes
of bench ba o say and round so na kwa say ye FA Cup ntina coach na ma nkrofo bi chance say omumbo bi
yeah
untimi ma Rashford no mon kwen mo sa no mu kopera o kwen mo na Sunday so Liverpool and so da ho nti o hwa o start mu na free bench and na ma Ganacho no and so to me start but still United team na adwuma wo so Rashford ne Casemiro no more start amma that's near man shadanko ye enfema man team na o see nya Casemiro ne backup bibia betumi asi injury betumi aba je o see nya ne backup pa na ye another potential striker and that way goes so bobo man manager ho and na no control ni bibia so ye kama ti ono so memmo na ba so coach na ye ne ho adwuma oye ne ho adwuma aka say ye be nya midfielder baako any striker baako asa aka defender baako so na fe ye wi na team no esi ni ekoye ni mu an
okay all right then see ano solo and so no ntino e we ko na je say amano ne nsem no no so atumi aba e ba nkomo we chiri bia no eno so no ibedi enso eufia
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! ¡Apago la luz y me voy! ¡Golazo!
Ente abusia no pay so mayama wache yama Akwaaba bia memfa mbra Okoman radio 97.1 so na pay mbra so say yatrans agudie mu nsam enso ye de ba bedan wo na hu sane yete enso wa agudie nim na amanfo nkroso nsam bre ena so say ye de nsam no so tumi efiri ho ede eba na hu sane am enkomani na etiamidin at the paradise asedan confirm club ya sante A.K.A na fe courage mo mu na ete chiri anopay ena ye de ensam na de eba social media no ziggy ena fe John Mark omonso adwumanti anopay John Mark ebe pia bibia de agum ama onso wa send ye Facebook Okoman radio 97.1 ko Facebook sesi a udo like page no na onso wa share na fe odo comment ahoro no de agu ye be kenkani na enso atumi de ama wo ewo Facebook entu wunya nko ya ko Facebook sesi a no pay na fe fa ensam no enso de achire na fa wo comment enso gu na ye jebre enkenkani na enso entumi emfa ema wo ene ya no penti ye be hyase na ya den nsam no de aba na Mark mame basketball no abrante de Jordan Wright okona akache a endra ono so tumi abo no homaden ebo a ne club ema nioma tumi ekonkan enso tumi de ba ma Vanderbilt ena omone oduwani achemam Kentucky enso tumi de ebo ni na oya John Wright ne modern mono na yade a konkan endra enso tumi de ma Vanderbilt enso ewo omo match a omutumi ebo ye no enso emunti oba Facebook a video no enso eda hono ma obehu points a ono so etumi aboa ye enso etumi enya ye ede ma Vanderbilt team no na nioma enso etumi akonkan enso etumi ede ema no enso basketball ni minti odi wani achema video ni twego enso hono ma obehu se nina enso yade a na se etumi akonkan enso ewo mo na yenko na fe yenko ya matches bi etumi akoso ewo Europe ne mountain so yen shase enso ede na England ena Fia said the free FA Cup ni monom 2 games enso so and of English Premiership and also 2 games I dey to me atwagu na Sheffield United etena fie and Tottenham Hotspur at the boy ni Tottenham ekodi encho de ma Sheffield United e ka ba ko a amonso entumi anti in the 79 minutes no nya sa first goal no e the Emma Sheffield United bobo ko no ma progress Okoman enso FA Cup name and afi Manchester United enso and West Ham at the boy Old Trafford bra Facebook highlight ni twego na abrante ani den enso ade side Benama and 54th minute onya first goal edema West Ham bobo kono Agwed 77th minute ono on goal ote kanom edma Man United afe abranta ni de Garnacho 90th minute onya second goal and a Fred and so sign at the third goal no and so to me de ka home Manchester United at 3-1 na yenko Old Trafford na yenko hwe senia na eho so ehuro ene senia na goals no and so to me eba no na niomesi eko and so to me de afa emma Man United and so na omuda fam na fe omonso coming back ebetete kan yentie feeling no e Old Trafford.
best, but both have had chances, and this might be another one for West Ham. It's more than that. Saeed then.
Well, from here, it looked like he'd gone over the line. From there, it looks like he pulls it back in, Socha, because he knows it might have gone over. But United players just stop. You cannot do that. Play to the whistle. Benrahma stops, and when he has that, this might be. In fact, I don't even say might be. This is going to be disallowed.
And Michael Salisbury just getting that information. And Manchester United still go on their feet. Fernandes delivering, 5 to Okoman in the centre. Goalkeeper comes out, he's been beat by his own player. It's an own goal. Naif again, getting the final touch on it, and Manchester United are back in it now.
Well, again, it's a brilliant ball in. Again, Ariola coming.
Fernandes aiming towards Rashford, away by A.K.A. Comes back to Bout Beckhorst. And it's blocked by A.K.A. again. Now Garnacho! This team's trophy first does not appear to be quenched by just the Carabao Cup. So, many would have thought unnecessary. Here's Fred into the air after a mistake. Manchester United into the quarter-finals again.
Way and so Niana Koso, our Old Trafford, and Man United Bobo and West Ham, and so dear Benny now of a Kunimdiano, Akwadema United, a Kano Makuma Kumi and Sam, West Ham United, and so to me a Timo Ebako, Young English Premiership now, standing league game, and so I did to me a course, so I'm now come for that, and also I like to know our Facebook, go back to me a call, now I Liverpool, and so actually over Hampton Wanderers, and so my Kanumi and one, Ramon so and to me ante. 73rd minute, Virgil van Dijk in your first goal at the Emma Liverpool Bobo 4 minutes later, Branton did Mohamed Salah on also by Ebeshe goal no 77th minute as at the Liverpool 2-0 and I'm over Anton Wanderers and so to me a show now Oko Emirates Sports Stadium I want and Arsenal and so to Sadia for Everton now almost a dear boy name a berry no Nasna Edin Kunim a Kano Makuma 9 Everton and to me ante a Branton did the Bukayo Saka 40th minute when your first goal Gregor Martinelli 45th minute on your second goal no Martin Odegaard 71st minute third goal by and after Gregor Martinelli BM 80th minute no was answer the fourth goal no and so to me by young Emirates ni enkotie Emirates goes no and so ever
something meaningful further downfield, maybe here. Oh yes, Bukayo Saka buries another beauty. This kid is almost unstoppable. 11th of the season, and it's his 50th Premier League goal involvement as well. Absolutely brilliant stuff from Saka. Jorginho back to Odegaard. Just couldn't quite keep his footing. Excellent challenge from Saka. Play on! Martinelli into the corner, but the assistant's flag is up.
Yeah.
Close,
very close. That's going to be tight. If he's on the same line of with the ball, then he's onside.
Yes! Oh, it stands. VAR helps Arsenal out. It took it away against Brentford. Delivered here, thank you very much. Zinchenko, Martinelli, nice turn. Just behind Xhaka, but still the move continues, and boy does it. Here's Trossard. Odegaard! 3 points secured. What another mesmeric team move from the Gunners. Captain fantastic, Martin Odegaard slams it home. Arsenal surely going 5 points clear once more. Arsenal 3, Everton 0.
Odegaard's been excellent tonight again. The tempo, he just get involved in everything going forward.
Another great through ball, snuck in for number 4, and it's a second for Gabriel Martinelli. It had to come. Arsenal 4, Everton 0.
Wey also na goals na so eba ewo Emirates Sports Stadium no na hu se anasa ote se goals no na so ne enso digu atenanim Ediama club ani de enso ede Arsenal 4-0 eno mutumi edi enkunim enso ohono ma no pay yeti won Ediama wanti ikoso ahwem na yebese edi dwema bi enso ewo mom na odwani akire mo enso Old Trafford Fred enenya third goal no Ediema Manchester United bobo kono ema nkunimdie no esi yekura Ediema team no after say game na ba wieye and some try for any Friday team komo bi san say wosanya another goal Ediema Man United bobo kono was 6 goal and so was season him and so in the feeling it say odem koma kakra etu yenim yentie Fred and sama odema after the game.
Goal for you 6 this season. How many are you going to get?
It's very good to score. It's always important to help my teammates. So in front of fans, more important. So I need to keep going, keep working, keep smiling, and when possible, score as well.
Wey enso ye Fred wonu ya midfielder Edema Manchester United bobo kono ena ote se odin sama huro ede atugwa enso ede afa goals so far washa ase ehye Edema Manchester United enso ho eno eye nsam kakra efiri ode e ba no pay yeti won enso atumi ede ema wo Yaka United team no enso ho nsam no this season wo performance no ade a ekosoro pa na Abrantani de ede mark aye McAllister wono esi akan enso English Premiership nim afa Argentina national team no ne modemo no yade a ekon kan enso tumi ade amamukwa World Cup okan bi na Argentina enso koko wini enso etumi ade free kata emonten so wakasa de afa Abrantani de Ganacho ho ese ohwe ne modemo a wodanade ede ama Manchester United team na wogidi ese dachi bia no Ganacho eba besi akan enso tumi ade ama Argentina national team no na ogidi ese Lisandro Martinez any Abrantani de Ganacho team come so omra no mesi akan enso ntumi enfama Argentina national team no eno ya ne efiri o enso ntumi ade eba na this season 19 games so far Manchester United omabo enso ewo Old Trafford no oma win mu makumako 17 and afa oma draw mienu omunya defeat enso ewo Old Trafford omo last 19 games almost about 44 goals and a United team now share a conceded 10 and a fay keep 11 clean sheet and so our Old Trafford last 19 games almost to me about now udwane since ye free World Cup no and so to me at the no Manchester United 20 games and to me about enya 17 wins 2 draws and almost enya na fe defeat no and so about 46 goals and a United ashe a concede 13 goals and so games so about after say so every World Cup no and so about Andra Arsenal team no enya win and so one game Everton yenim say over league table no so English Premiership ni mu Arsenal that so top league no ekita 60 points Man City tosumienum 55 and afa United tosumiensan ekita 49 points and Tottenham Hotspur tosu 45 points Newcastle United tosu enum 41 Liverpool tosu nsia and draw mo so win here entoma ba 6 position 39 points in a chromo and afa Fulham tosu enson and so 39 points league table no and so Mohamed Salah also no asha 20 plus goals each a season for the 6th season what boy and so no the money ade to me akonkan Edema Liverpool 20 plus goals Salah and so to me share started here at free 2017-18 season also to me mass Liverpool team no 44 goals in all competition 2018-19 my 27 goals 2019-2020 my Liverpool 23 goals and a 2020-2021 31 goals 21-22 31 goals and so far 22-23 no in our competition Salah and so to me 20 goals at the Liverpool bobo no and also Mohamed Salah ne won come and so kakra no pay yet and so to me the English FA Cup no draw no say and also etumi atie Manchester United ebe share Fulham City any Burnley bebo na fe Brighton and Hove Albion enso about Grimsby Town na Sheffield United share Blackburn Rovers and all your matches are and enso ya home enso etumi ade ma English FA Cup na after set and draw matches nina no omutumi yi edi free wa nyame ya dumu 18th and 19th match and on bebo next round on tikai national so enso to me enfa emamie Marcelo a former player Edma Bobo Kwanide enso edi Real Madrid na ofri Madrid akwa no okonsan edema Olympiacos club no eno no Atenase ema contract termination abrantenom enso agiatum ema one Bobo Kwanide enso di Olympiacos omonso terminate contract na say oko no akwakosi akan enso tumi edema Fluminense Bobo kono eno nkomo efri Marcelo enso akache ba anopenso yedi emu nchemu kakra enso etumi ade ema wo na yanko Lionel Andre Messi akache Messi and the lead Argentina national team no enso kokobo World Cup ewa Qatar esen lead omo eje World Cup no na uko Messi aso ya baye 175,000 pounds sika na Messi e di akwakoto iPhone enso etumi ade ama Argentina omutim no players and for officials are omujiramu enso tumi ade ma Argentina ewa World Cup national Messi says he can 175,000 pounds enso de akwakoto ye iPhone ade ama Argentina national team no ntia 35 golden iPhone 14s and Messi makuma ku 35 ono so akwakoto yaka Ediama Argentina team no and a face staff no so omunje World Cup omunje ye no we no as captain ono so edi show manu nyam enti no enso ye Messi ne de kakra nyame ya duma ene Clasico ebeba so enso was Santiago Bernabeu honom and a game neba so Real Madrid and Barca team nom and ebebo na udu anya chemo Barcelona team na kachi a emrantie bi te se Robert Lewandowski Ousmane Dembele omu na ntumi nsi akan Enfema Barca bobo kono na ene Real Madrid enso akachi no na so omu hwelim se nyoma betumi akonkan enso tumi ade amomom ewo mu game a omne Barca ebebonim Carlo Ancelotti ese midfield no Oshanim say likely say Abrantia ni Edo Aurelian Chouameni afe Luka Modric ene Eduardo Camavinga Samrante miensa ebetumi ahase ede ama club ani din enso ede Real Madrid ewa Medford wo enti say Toni Kroos unu say wan hase amfa ma Real Madrid da Emmanuel also enyo wanwa esanse according to coach Carlo Ancelotti no na just say ohwe etutunioma enso tumi de ama Real Madrid bobo kono enso ewa sa game a eba so no enso emo na ukwa Barca enso akachi a Barcelona team a omoso de kono na se medical akachi ese ene Barca ewuram a na so omoso no Abrante ni de Lewandowski enka ho na mom se netie Marc-Andre ter Stegen ono eka squad a Barca edi omo ekono ho Rafael Arajo, Sergio Busquets, Gavi, Ansumani Fati, Ferran Torres, Inaki Pena, Okobi, Andres Christensen, Marcos Alonso, Jordi Alba, Francese, Samson Sergio Roberto, Frankie de Jong, Omunam Enso Eko, Rafinha, and Abrante de Kunde, Eric Bade, Pablo Torre, and also Kobe, and Abrante de Anau Tinas, or no Eshe Jesse number 36, one also Eko, and Afe Alacon, and Abrante de Estanis 39 Jesse, and Obashadiama Basa. Now, according to Xavi or Sisa Branteno, or a potential player at my Basa Bobokono. After Lewandowski, anyone or GDA, SSR Branton between Lewandowski, and Swanai, Oko Real Madrid, a Courtois, Lunin, and Luis Lopez, your goalkeepers no, Afe defenders, Cavaja, Eda Militao, Valerio, Nacho, Odrizola, and Lucas Vasquez, and Antonio Rudiger, almost only players, Real Madrid defenders no, Omoko, Medford no, Toni Kroos, Luka Modric, Eduardo Camavinga, Federico Valverde, Chouameni, Chiellini and afe Dani Ceballos almost players omo mfimfin attackers ni Eden Hazard, Michael Benzema, Marcos Asensio, Vinicius Junior, Rodrigo Goes, Mariano Diaz and afe Alvaro almost attackers Bas Real Madrid and so they amukwe game no and so muntika national so and so to me and famame and so Manchester United team no asan uramu obasa say Frankie de Jong still coach Eric Ten Hag said na need Abrante na chiwonya na wope enti Abrante ne mra na fe wo ma mesia kan fama bobo kwa nidin de United enti omo yasa sama transfer window ni bua omo bako no makwa for Frankie de Jong enso tumi de naba eno ya nkoma kakra efu ode ya ba yem ko Bayern Munich enso akache president edema Bayern Munich Mr. Herbert Hanna ono so edin sama to gwasa Abrante de Leroy Sani na fe Serge Gnabry omo ho ehia Bayern Munich club no omo ntumi enkasa omo be successful club without two players we enti abrina bribia no omo hi omo ni baby akọ omo koso atena bobo kwande enso we de Bayern Munich yenko wie enso Celta de Vigo team na kache Abrante de Gabriel Vega oko Celta de Vigo team ni ma Spanish La Liga no o perform ye 8 goals 3 assists and what me ayam adiama Celta de Vigo bobo kono the release clause 40 million euros any sika edano so clubs akasia omo Spain say according to report and nkoma edidi mu no the clubs na need their brand na chi so munya na omo per Celta de Vigo say Obertonam better release clause no 40 million euros omo ton less than 40 million euros no and no so ye ni free e dey ba ye be gina ne nsam no so na fe ye de nsam ni na e dey si na A.K.A so na wato aso e dey ba na mu ya star 787 hash and you can for them out star 787 hash star 787 hash and pay unyen dale wo phone so a dale na twa na di na anya sika enso gu bottom na fe di dwuma ahoro de ma be koyie enso tumi e di amount kona ko bo star 787 hash na di sika enso bebre amada ma ana no pay ye ko amanfo nkro so e di amount nsam e di hebro.
All right, enti Parcel of Paradise and ne amount nsam ono so ewuramu adini nyina ba onim say na 8 p.m. Ghana time na you say the El Clasico, the match between Real Madrid and the Los Blancos Galacticos and our fans on FC Barcelona. I know ebe to draw in Estadio Yesta Santiago Bernabeu. And I saw game no and so na cause big game papa we know Copa del Rey matchup and also na because 8 p.m. it's and also na match and also na no me shop bas team ni din ajinya mbem pa cause nyame am fafia am say na ye beji ye ho me na pa but Bernabeu na yekọ Bernabeu de minsuru e kam ni wa ye na yebo home dia and me ka say Madrid be so jagu so but Bernabeu oh e tutu e woman away we na woman away te tutu eti anonso no I don't know Pastor Ewuram ye ba be din koma ofie ba ma menka so star 787 hash star 787 hash me kanfo area ma pesika efe gu bottom ena yawada yes yawada throwback Thursday you throw the back there na sika sem ni nyara ne se star 787 hash se ni no mem ma okwanya na so pesika efe gu bottom anopa tututu wo akwanya se 10,000 Ghana cedis ena so be di egu bottom we early bed so they say waso anopa na anoma pa bi to nwom ade egu asum ni nyara ne se we need 10,000 Ghana cedis we know I mean ni se we so ara no pa ko adwuma sa that is here and also I don't know for phone about star 787 as na fin so no choose option 1 no ya show play now urama na say and also wako to tickets and no number of tickets na wo ba ko be 5 Ghana cedis into do bi apesa auto no and so wo ho me no wa de bia me ka kire me tufu say to full house no se na be ya kwanya say do be di 10,000 Ghana cedis ano pa bia no and also ebe kosoro enwumre nso no wo ho 10,000 Ghana cedis and I watch one and so betumi edi nya kan ketsi star 787 as omo adaroma anomo mausikai edi egu botum na weekend and so wo ho eye mementa jackpot no jackpot me say anon ana me target me ka kire say jackpot no ana me target me boma na say me 12 krum ha na mafam kru na mabom mo bra awum say ma Canada no pesa na me ka say krum asitara ndi dey ebeko na yakobo ebra obabi na ayi ni sara utra krum ade asa nhini ebe Ghana ha your boy ko bi na Canada say 2 hours na betra no Bruno Kruma kasika ebedi no anye sika keto antino star 7 minutes adaroma no do kwan kura na ono akos wabbo mu 700,000 Ghana cedis jackpot na menye ni se we bet na Kruma ba ko pa bra papa bi abo enso woni mtini nyina no me kanfo area ma open chiremu bi afre 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 and our WhatsApp number no and so no 0272 636 448 now fin so no on a star 787 ash and so no into me any enkomo na bibibia enkoso kama and so no emfama Krobia Santia Tenase Parene joining live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 and also no okuremu Facebook onsa ebeka YouTube onso no Okoman Radio 97.1 on YouTube and also yetemwa and also jumedie no yedi ebro kama and so no messages ni ade no fafa and say bejibre ni akenkan and so no area ma on a show text messages no and also what about 0551 667755 0551 667755 and no text messages are and also what about na fin so yan so akenkan kama area ma na bibibia akoso still edin na Kelvin Amponsedi Krobia wa pa solo paradise and so no etemu de ne yedi jumedie no and so no ebrel ewa ha Krobia bibia kama
Kobadi adama bibia ye kama pa me ho ye ya sorry a ye wa hoden na yetumetu anomo aba be pie mu ha de na chese nyame aye na afemu de aka nipa de na nipa nso be wie na che bibia tumi aye successful ntino me ho ye pa o se papa mo boni mo ye mfase da ema no nti de ko ye ni de anko ye nyina no matter the circumstance any or how I name bia no de ye ne ye nya nyina no ne nyina na seda enya de be fedi da moja gusu ye fusa ne de there is hope so for us as Nigerians ewo gidie se oman no betumi aye ye de o me nso me gidie ewo suru ye pa nti me ho ye
Nigeria for na motivate
me ho ye pa me ho ye
o Nigeria for na motivate mo
o show man pa na
rana video bi e ba ya nso ko di na kakra na Tinubu let me see go lo
hey Charlie it's even na wa beje weni openi yes abri na wa besa o lo
Uganda
ayen maza sadi zo body ahojo zo na ye
Nigeria pa mo asemo
gaze pa o Charlie
me hwe TV won no o say obi atibi won that's how Uganda Museveni
ono kra de ono de ye kurekura ni se
yes Gabona wo ho Cameroon the same thing just Africa your leaders you choose ni na over 70 years
ye die nyame ya adom ye prepare chire ni
why chire bra no kra since say the over no 8 years
ye prepare chire
over no 8 years
oh abeye ejuma ba un say still strong me ma share amongst our say ono ne the master finest
but me just nature
oh but nature
onya trans ka kra bi pe wako Africa oh that's what mobo Europeans say 40 years 39 years
Mamitia former excellency President Jekum Kufo Mamitiano ono otem so on the mountains here na otem osro otemu ho antino ebechiano pa na wiase unum say when you are being chosen as a leader now who lead group bia always bia it doesn't matter nyoma ekum financially material nyoma bibia at the end of everything and as at the end of every successful moment bia no you would have to applaud and as a comment contingent I know what then it is jumedi no very necessary pa very necessary and ade ba ko a misuan ya che pa no matter whether say nyoma abeko yie di amayen and I say nkoyie mfa amayen emfa ho ne dia wo achieve it could be say wo achieve more than they are me, but at the end of the day, so far as me and as a group no me as a leader no, I would have to show appreciation for the support I'm hearing. Modeye masani pano. So I think say enone kakra o ha ye ba be di hunkomo.
Okay.
Just a clue, but ye ba be di hunkomo.
Be di hunkomo preparement no. Remo manane enra na just English FA Cup or 2 outstanding matches in the English Premiership. And of course, so and then so the El Clasico in the Copa del Rey, 8 p.m. Santiago Bernabeu between Real Madrid and I think so Barca. Rem na in komo.
Right. A.K.A. Maminchia Obi a very good afternoon. Minchia A.K.A. Trend Fashion Designers no na nyoman so into me and konkan and Obi in the sabri wenya kwenya na oti no ye bechia Obi A.K.A. said ya midi kan de ya sha asia mi wie ya ansa na ye ba be hemu ankasa no che back in 2014 ana Real Madrid team no ewini La Decima winning one more 10th UEFA Champions League trophy as a club, and in their quest say one more winning no that time no na opinion na lead and I say the leading man's man at the Real Madrid team no Brandt friend Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, and just after say Madrid to me lifted that particular Champions League trophy no any successful season one to me enya no then Brandt friend Cristiano Ronaldo talk also ko win several individual awards no. After then, who say Juma oye etiama Madrid since okopi mo Real Madrid team ni mu ene nkanko abasubody individual awards a onya ni nyina no enye ono nko ani to me ana odinya na say ono nko ani modern bo ana odinya. And just after that moment you know that year openino eyi sika 8,200 euros each editor Bugatti watches edema each of the players are and as any teammates any other staff and our more make Real Madrid team no one to me enjoy that successful moment you know and I say yeah no and just after that you know to me and na eneno watch biano actual player bia and so edin edito Bugatti watch no what 8,200 euros edema each of the players you know and from there players ni nyina e post here da openia your friend Cristiano Ronaldo ase say enei ejuma onu so etumi aye wo mu nyina na kabo mu esuru bia ne sika oje e wo club ni mu obi bia eye ne individual work but ono as the leader then do no ye captain by the team no ono na na esi ni stress so ejuma Madrid be win game bia na you no glory bia be ba onum say at the end of the day if the group ni nyina enjoy success only one person and at the end of it all no about individual awards are able to me win, especially when talking of FIFA best and that of the Ballon d'Or. And ti no more penino and so who say ne nko antumi nye adwuma no nti success we nyina ehu benya so beye bibi e dia da staff coaches any eneno players a wo mo ka ne hu nyina enso ase ene no mo penino yes a adwuma no encha ye ne yekowure mu 2022 World Cup ekoso enso e wo Qatar and yekowie nyina no na ye Argentina man no ana etumi a lift up the ultimate dia ba be mu and from then yekomu by Messi eje best player e wo tournament na say and just 3 days ago FIFA organizing the best FIFA award and so e wo Paris ekowie no na Lionel Messi ana ne no wo motumi yin as the best player in the world so far as a FIFA awards and so no eye consent and Abrante no etumi age no ene ye da sorry ya na de e ba ne say opani no etumi ato ene no iPhone 14 yibi makomako 35 all the 35 contingent wo mukopie mu e Qatar ni teammate any other staff wo mo kan ni nyina no obi bia no o ma no sa phone ne ba ko
iPhone 14
yes iPhone 14 each bia no
35
yes gold plated
let's hear the gold na
yes,
phone
yes.
especially made
customized obia din ebu echire ni jersey number no she e wo work up na se no ebu echire ntia ye Lionel Messi
Argentine logo no flag
logo no e da World Cup trophy no bibi bia intino with phone no cost no
Joma ko photos na
Joma ke provide Joma ke provide bibia intino intimi di ye Ronaldo di ni nyina na egu intino Messi di ni nti oye customizing bibia no ekowie bibia 175,000 pounds
175.
Each phone be player be £175,000 times 35. Yes.
No, yes. Me dem calculation is 35 phone to go see 100.
Debbie. Say we no customize don't you know phone no price no iPhone 14 ne bono wo ho.
Aha. Sanka on calculation na me tell you no na me ya wa ho. On say me koya no say on say 175,000. Now just say o de multiply
35 no.
O de my divide by 35. So me divide by 35 now. There's a many 5,000. 5,000 pounds. And 5,000 pounds on got the bag Ghana city man. And they pounds on 13 cities me boy.
Yes.
And even 5,000 by 13 no crano. Yes, only I'm 65,000.
Yes.
65,000 Ghana cities.
Yes.
650 million.
Yes.
So you sample.
Yes.
Say 5,000 pounds on the top phone be back 650 million.
Yes.
City Sigano.
Yes.
No, that top phone back on.
Yes.
It's on your sanity. Okay, let's say phone back could be 175,000.
Yes, and only customized charge in your account. Unse your phone no back on solely no.
It price numbers and any gold no plated.
Gold plated. And now customization now one year in no package in no full package no. Each phone be or they ma any of the teammates any other staff in no cost £175,000. And only at
pound Zulu to my check pound na mamia. Maybe I find it 13. Now so find it 13 krana crowia £175,000.
Yeah.
When you 2.2 and that's almost 2.28 million Ghana cedi. Million Ghana cedi.
Yes. What spend this car? If you say
2 million Ghana cedi, could have buy old currency. This is 200,000, 2 billion. There's 20 billion.
Okay, you're young Ghana.
For could be 20 billion. I had my players.
35 personnel. No contract renewal no babe or parin class. So to me, ya who si can kwaneki anodin intino.
Was spending 79.7 million Ghana cedi.
No. Lionel Andre Messi Leo Cochitini. Ejuma oye.
Krobia masa ebe tu kwan. Oh. Oya wo for na team na ba bobo na. Ozo man mwa. It's 175,000 by 35.
Yes.
35 no. Ubenya 6.1 million.
Yes.
That's what just spending 6.1 million pounds.
Yes,
at all phones.
Yes. Or they surprise and you know the men are wo boano amane all the personal glories na oje ni nyina no enyo no alone. But or the kai e dia share in the woman and yes and I'm almost
we win World Cup.
Yes.
Then it's 6 million pounds.
You win the World Cup, we say or your Messi yes we win the World Cup. Yeah, and Argentina, even Argentina. Messi winning the World Cup. Yes. Messi winning the World Cup no I travel far than Obi Kura nim say Messi win the World Cup, but even onim say Argentina national team na Messi bo. Obi nim say Messi win the World Cup, but onim the second player no kan poma wo mu win here.
What's the pounds on the
15.
Pound no cry 15. Maybe yani 13.
15 cities.
How for na Mombasa mbobo we 6 million Ghana cedi kwa enya am zo boso misika o.
Nti wa ye ejuma.
6 million pounds no. Boso misika. Boso mi se mienu pe osika. Because na ochi bi onya oje anya PSG. Eti we no boso mi mienu sika keke no dey top phones a check.
Sure.
6 million pounds.
Abokra.
Hey.
Yeah. Nti
yam say baby say
okay wo share ade Cristiano Messi aye ya unhu say anything na me choose Ronaldo de no.
Yes, that Bugatti watch no.
Yes. Watch, Rex watch.
8,200 pounds. Euros rather.
Yes. Euros. 8,200 euros.
Nipa do nyina obi 8,000.
Yes. Intino Messi a big gab ni match say oh yes me kuta around the 107 into the okra 5 no
75,000.
yes the okra 5 no use watch e use 8,200 there me and me kura world cup no e was me so me fa gab into what yes
and Lionel Messi abre
into share gap difference no all the atum no na just Messi abre into we no enye te said ya wo mo aye ne keke be mom no e signal at these two icons no then send e diama clubs no. And I say individual players, baby, I will be applying the traits, and even including other institutions and young say yeah football but juma bia wo mu bia no whoever is being chosen as a leader make sure say at the end of every successful year and I say moment bia mu betumi enjoy no when man for a ball about so Akwaaba a leader bossu on the managing man to conkan director of institution manager of institution sanyo mani I think say idea one more day ton we as na ma we as ni say yes sana enei upe well committed people na womo tumi aye adwuma ma wa uhia sa ne oma we nyina is not always say because of say they are being paid and I say but a good sign of a leadership in mpanifo ne tumi show and I think say idea womo ye no be encourage obi bia na young players na womo bo other captains na womo captain the various clubs ni nyina no going forward womu wini other trophies bia ubemu say womu nyina nso pese womu nye den na no nso empeja womu din so I think say a good thing I in the Lionel Messi so to me aye ho a ye bebo ono nso abaso Coupe de France to me akoso and Coupe de France akoso e wo France womu guso aye boy and say no hwe teams na aba ye to say uremu e wo Ghana FA Cup ni mu asede aye no say there is no way to be found Olympique de Marseille. There's no way to be found a team of friend of Paris Saint-Germain. And they all can. These are the two biggest clubs I know. You bet to me, I can say, baby, I know one more page our more football, no, Eddie, do no. Yeah, they must say, oh, baby, in the sense that one more to me, winning, they are the only team I want more winning Champions League. And so, our French football now, and we share pedigree, and the standard Paris Saint-Germain, so to me, raisy our the French league. So, these are the two biggest teams, and especially even current form cry and first and second our Mulidi league log no they are all being eliminated from the Coupe de France and our Monso Echo and then that game no Echo so I was start the Velodrome when in League 1 a League 2 sider one more making surprises I want more enjoy in the rare moment but one more to me I enjoy to the semis and then need one more than one Echo kind FC Annecy into join wo Facebook awa winim sa team no ubehu wo players ni bi ni ade a wo mo enenam FC Annecy wo mo League 2 ana wo mo atumi make these surprises ana wo mo ba no wo mo aye Croatia in 2018 World Cup abakwasem ana wo mo ye no anu bia na sa team we nso no wo mo aye in the French league said ana ye remu a Croatia all from the knockout phases ni nyina no wo mo ball penalty shootout throughout ekoko remu in the grand finale and then no remu a team of friend one is no womo ewo League 2 but womo etumi aboewure mu ababeewure mu they are the only division club womo ewom League 1 no uyi a League 2 obi bia anu a owom but anese etumi aboewure mu ene womo nso ababeka teams a womo etumi qualify for the semi-finals no ewo na endura da game no ekoso no ana ene no na team of friend anese lead Olympique de Marseille ewo start the Velodrome by 2-1 na minute na swing with 6 minutes in a referee de to so no young abokra area at that particular any moment no referee be to me whistle for a game no say embra na wie and from 94th 95th minute no say any Mark John head video no ebe to so start the Velodrome room Olympique de Marseille fans ni nyina and so a troopy off from the stadium Echo stadium nechi efri ho sanka wo mu nyina ekofie na wo mu koni mu na wo mu ti say 96th minute Abrante Frere Leonardo Bellardi etumenya equalizer no edi amahom na fancy eke wo mo sansu demrika kiti eni osimwe wo mo etumi ate Canada ebe ko penalty shooters na at least wo mo etumi enya nkunimde etumi eseli true na wo mo etumi wini trophy no elho enti wo mo nyina sansu edimrika esamba stadium wana wo mo bai no ana na 2-2 no ana referee ye the point penalty shootout ana timwa ya from Annecy winning by 8-6 on penalties a womu die in Olympique de Marseille womu home soil start the Velodrome womu yi womu efrim and the way fans no a pipeline weki na enya atia eye ahogro so kra ntinu say teams a womu etumi qualify no Olympique de Lyonnais Toulouse any Nantes anefe Annecy womo nso ani nemu womo de kono nti womo ba no nyina no womo ne Belfort womo de penalties na yi womo ewo in the round of 64 womo ba into the round of 16 womo ne Paris womo eyi Paris on penalties ana efe no quarter finals no womo ne Marseille womo de penalties enso etumi asen yi on eche no ne mmodembo ene de ayekoso ewo France uremu ewo womo nso no cap womo ebo ho no manti team a wɔn modern bono aso ni a wɔn surprise obia enso ɛwɔ hɔ no mo okay endra na a game back so Emirates in the English Premiership Arsenal one more outstanding game a woman nyade atoa and one more preparatory amande no 25 games woman most of the teams now one more compete for the top spot no one more to me abo and na game on the 8th of February mu ana first game a one ne Everton boy one mo kopie mu e wo Goodison Park so that time nefe no coach no etumi aba foforo Everton etumi di coach foforo etumi aba wo mo wini by a long goal to nil and then dra wo mo ba be rem ne yehwe how within a month no wo mo betumi asan so a surprise Arsenal or Emirates and then dra Arsenal ed wo mo to wo mo level 4 goals and na wo mo dey share Everton to officer wo mo ntumi aye ho hwe. That is a statement from Arsenal wa bra wo mo hwe ni mu say league no wo mo betumi ato akoso a enso etumi ewini and 8 points again almost answer their tomb clear one de echo on the league log no so one more him so to me ewini elho in the FA Cup Manchester United eguso quadruple no ebeye ejuma eno no yes say no Manchester United #quadruple and one more guso ewini League Cup no already one more the FA Cup ni mu league no openi a friend no Eric Ten Hag di kan dia ba betuga say o share table ne pa dia mathematically wo mu betumi aye adwuma with form no wo mu nya that consistency in the league and no so betumi abo ma wo mu so etumi win premiership no nti in the akwa say wo mu win premiership no enso enye over and then draw in the FA Cup still wo mu guso e wo mu a wo mu so nya that victory no over West Ham United a game one now you get into 80th minute. Now West Ham United elili by a long goal to nil. Then Abrante friend agreed Moroccan central defender ekonya 77th minute own goal. Ana no necessary moment in turning everything for Manchester United because watching from afar there's no way ananka that last 10 minutes without the own goal no and Manchester United able to me about even an expense on Baby winning games but no SSA bibia at the story no a different way and Manchester United talk also and make it sure just after they equalize and one more in that momentum and again it got to the frustrating part got to the part of West Ham United players now Manchester United a day a counter one that 3 solid goals and it was a good night at Old Trafford at the Manchester United and rather after so we need a League Cup no one so attack also as I sail through to the next round of the FA Cup competition so I think say Ten Hag gusua and United no enjoy everything football and off the field on the field one more enjoy your man to me kind players and they will be or baby performing so well because team agile team understanding any bonding to me ejuma until whoever comes in F15 no matter said ya ni onipa no ne form tiana say how born the ball and I think certain hack eguso a ejuma say quadruple no and also to me no so a time and able to me actually where the United season ankasa no will fail so for us at this couple of tournaments any trophies are ahead of them to crunch and so a concern.
All right, and Krobia, Eddie, no, our man, Solo, as I ever feel now just a fisherman, as me about some old drona, and I know so, I will fear, I say, Enyasim Kuma, Enra. Now it's a Ghana Premier League, bet pa, Premier League, and also, it's me, Echo, so, our Ghana, and I say, and also, Enyasim Kuma, as some old drona, and it's me, so, it's me, now it's a fisherman, and also, Yadi, above it also.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own.
I was saying to us if you some no enfema anope na hu sene etie yan shase enfenfre Ghana Premier League match day 19 and draw games na ba so results no sene sikwewie no say na tie Go Stars etna bibiani ehye kamieno edit yan so Atreman FC omantumi ante ediana enso etna doma ane Kinfesa ekote ye 0-0 Kotoku Royals etena Deu Agropama so ehye kamiensa editia Dreams FC omo so entumi ante Brekum Chelsea etena Brekum ehye kabako editia Samatex 96 omo so entumi ante ewo Ewak Legon Cities enso ane Tamale Cities ekote ye 1-1 ena afa nyina ase Camp Park no Kerala United etena fie Emakra Lions ebe shon we kamienu omutimu baako Asante Kotoko etena Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium ehye kabako editia Bechem United omo so entumi ante Midiama ekwo Tamale ene RTU enso ko boye eye 1-1 ene tumi epiemu ena afa ni etwato no eye Accra Sports Stadium Accra Great Olympics enso ehye kabako editia Accra Hatofoka wamonso entumi ante league table no say ena so far and also nhyehyɛ no enso etumi etie na meba league table no so na fe me de ehon komo e de about aduana edikan 36 points Okotoko etoso emienu 31 points Accra Lions toso miensa okita 31 Bechem toso 9 and also our 30 points Gold Stars toso enum 30 Heart of Folk abetoso nsia omo 28 points Midiama toso enson 28 Timandiani Brekum Chelsea enso etoso enwatwe omo 28 points Dreams FC etoso nkron 26 Samatex abetoso edu omo 26 points Accra Great Olympics toso dubakon 11th omo 26 points RTU etoso dumieno our 25 points in Swatraman tosu dumiensa 24 points Legon Cities tosu du 9 22 points Kerala United etosu dunum our 22 Kinfesa etosu edunsia 21 points afe Tamale Cities etosu dunson our 20 points and Kotoku Royals still da so etosu dun watche omo 14 points and omo di nkunimu de nanso omo 14 points at the 18th position yanko gokin Meshak Afriye ewo eye Brekum Chelsea 10 goals and Awashe Hafiz Ukonkoni Bechem United 8 goals Stephen Mukwala Kotoko 8 goals Abednego Tete Bibianu Gold Stars 7 goals Abbas Samari and also Accra Lions 7 goals Abednego Tete Abbas 7 goals hey obanenim enkakra and afa Samson Eduku ewo eye RTU ono Tamale Cities and also Asha 7 goals Ajenim Boateng Mensa Dreams FC 6 goals Isakuka RTU 6 goals and Dikumi Francis ewo Kotoku Royals otoso enkron washa 5 goals Brighter J Eduana 5 goals Ibrahim La Gold Stars 5 goals Isaac Mensa ewo Tamale Cities 5 goals Kwesi Donsu Midiama 5 goals and afa Sedu Abubakar Samatex one also asha 5 goals young kwahwe senior fixtures no etia for week number 20 esha Saturday Kinfesa Anthony Great Olympics babo ewa Dr. Kwame Sports Complex Dreams ebe share Kerala United 3 p.m. on Saturday and as a game no ebe baso ewa Dew and afa Heart of Folk and so eno Kotoko babo Sunday our Accra Sports Stadium and also at 3 p.m. Live and afa Dreams and so game no ene Kerala no and also live Legon Cities ebe share RTU Tamale Cities and Accra Lions bebo in Swatraman ebebo Kotoku Royals Bechem United ebe share Bibianu Gold Stars Samatex and so any Diana Stars bebo na fe Midiama and Swaton Stars afre Brekum Chelsea bobo kono and no Ghana Premier League and ho enkoma kakra and anope yeto and so to me the mama won send yet yanko reactions ahoro senia niema so to me akoye and so our games no emuyen hyase FM free near so ewo Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium coach Sedu Zebo one your head coach Edema Sante Kokobo Bokono ono so kasa after say game no ebe na wie ye also mulusu ye ewo FA Cup nim Edema Diana Stars nebom against Bechem no na also kwambia so no omo yirom ho se na be yo benya 3 points no yentie coach Sedu Zebo.
On a perdu en coupe. On a perdu en coupe sur un penalty et on a fait match nul à Nostraman en championnat. Je pense que c'est le deuxième match de la phase de tour du championnat. Donc on a gagné aujourd'hui. Je pense que tous les matchs qu'on joue, on a beaucoup d'opportunités, on ne marque pas. Et ça fait que vers la fin, on perd les matchs. Aujourd'hui, on a gagné, mais on peut gagner plus. On peut gagner 4-0, 3-0, 5-0. On n'a marqué qu'un seul but sur plus de 10 occasions. Donc je pense que ce match gagné, ça donne la confiance aux joueurs pour aborder le match du dimanche à Accra.
Yeah, it is true that we were kicked out from the cup. We had a draw last time before the cup at Swatremont. It's the second match in the second round. We've won it. We've worked very, very hard to win this match, and we have won the match. We are still preparing. In fact, we determined to play this very match to win many goals. The chances that we created couldn't happen like that. We take it at least at the end of the match, we won. So we'll work on the deficiencies that we had to score the goals and we couldn't score. We will work on that.
Coach Seydou Zebo, head coach Edema Santikoko, and I want to know, also then some already to go. If we saw that for injuries this time around, SAT in our Kotoko team, no, and so you so the new year, Edema.
C'est difficile pour moi de donner, c'est le docteur, l'équipe qui peut nous situer dès ce soir. Quels sont les joueurs aptes pour jouer? Pour le moment, je ne sais pas, les blessés là, si quelqu'un peut venir parmi eux. Mais on attend la décision du docteur.
Yeah, we have a lot of casualties. We are working on that. But all the reports will come from the doctor. We hear what the doctor will say, then we work on that. If some of them are really fit to play, we will see at training before we take decision on that.
I know I said this able and I want and canon now or sounds so the two your name at the for go almost share edit a Bechem United no and one go no share besides long go pen and mutumia share your chances no as a man shut down great biasa and also no other home same at the two your name.
Dire qu'on a eu beaucoup d'opportunités, on peut marquer 4-5 buts. On n'a pas pu marquer 3-5 buts. On a marqué 1 et c'est 1 là qui nous donne la victoire, qui nous donne les 3 points. Je suis satisfait. Ne pas gagner 3 buts, mais 1-0, je pense que c'est satisfaisant.
Yeah, you are right. We have 2 matches here. We've scored so many goals. Today we scored only 1 goal. We created a lot of chances to score at least 4, 3, 2 goals. At the end of it all, we couldn't score those goals, but we had 1 goal, and it's a win for us. So we have to appreciate that.
Coach Seydou Zebo, head coach Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and I want to Nkano, Yanko Bechem United team no, and so Coach Kasim Mingo, and a head coach Edema Bechem United. Now assessment, and they have a game on the Kotoko boy, and then so the 2 years.
Start well. It's unfortunate we considered that goal. After conceding that goal, we started playing our normal game that we play. It ended. I don't want to complain about officiating. We're all witnesses to whatever happened, so I don't want to talk about it. Until the second, when we came back, we had some problem, the injury problem in our back. So we switched from the 4-3-3 to 3-5-2. And we started mounting pressure on Kotoko. But unfortunately, when we get to the third half, the last balls that they need to feed the strikers, the ball, they don't get to the striker. They always hit the ball, then the goalkeeper comes out and pick it. So it's unfortunate we lost. But we're going home to prepare for our next game.
Coach Kasim Mengo and I want to Nkano where we are crowned on the 2 anymore. I said, Bechem United. So, I'm to me a GP or trophy in the pa there. And you more a Juma yep. I was say, Omo Yurom, papa. Now, my matches no to me a winnie be and test idea leg no. Oh, Bechem. To menje. Coach Kasim Mengo.
This is nothing. We have a lot of matches to play. You lose 2 matches, the person has covered up that to 6 points. So we have a lot of matches to play. The race is not down yet. We have a long marathon to go. We have played only 2 matches in the second round. Only 2 matches in the second round. We have a lot of matches to play. About 15 matches more to play. So it's a lot of matches to be played. So.
And the more matches do na matches go when 15 matches here. Oh, so I'm who win ya. To me a bibi. To me a winning so the end the welcome at the Bechem United. And then your coach Kasim Mengo. Then come on. And so no young copy more dough. Na young son yet here. And so our Dawago Pamaso. Na Oko Daudia Kotoku Royals nebo home. And how much dreams have seen. You are more Juma. Fusu. A Kamiansa. To me ante. Coach I will jam with the Kotoku Royals no. Ye and Koma. On the DJ and saying it here.
Play our best and get nothing but the 3 points. And, my expectation has come true. My boys have really played very well, and I'm very happy with the performance as well as the result.
Kotoku Royals head coach and I want to say Odin Komahuro and so to me at the Tugam and so our Honomana yes so dim command fa Del Park no almost a year home match a one number bono na near my question the amamo omo bano omu ni say be bo man and also coach ne di nchiremu kakra edemaye.
We are happy we have come all the way out of Cape Coast and we are playing here. I think even though it's a neutral ground for Kotoku Royals, but we believe that over here the team will gel more than we ever played in Cape Coast. So playing over here, the field has also contributed to part of our success today. We have determined to come out of relegation and we are working very hard towards it. And we are very sure that by God's grace, we'll be able to come out of relegation.
Head coach Edema Kotoku Royals and out in Kano Collins Kujo, a player. Edema Kotoku Royals Bobo Kono man of the match. Onuno Nyaye. And also after the game, Odin Koma Kakra, Adu to Yanim, Edi for mu game Omu Boye against Dreams FC.
I'll give thanks to the Almighty God for giving us this win. Because it's not easy. It's not easy at all to get this win. But we thank God. But what coach taught us, I think that's what we did it. It's not easy.
And no answer your Kotoku Royals or play any day at the Collins Kujo and Otes on also then Samahuro at the Adia form game or many dreams a boy and also your Bisano at the for Del Park no machusu some home grounds now from Babom home matches now and also your Bisano home some Kakra watch Omo Bay the Omania to me ajo na Omo Baby did Jumapa and so was our grounds the NTA Collins Kujo.
Our home ground here, it will help us. We tell our fans that where we are, like after match after match, we do ourselves to win the game for them. Because where we are, we want to come out from there.
And no Aya Collins Kujo, on your player, Edema Kotoku Royals Bobo Kono, and I want to Nyanko PM Dreams and Swakache, Coach A.K.A. Muzito, and also an head coach, Edema Dreams FC Bobo Kono, and also Yan Edim Koma, Edia for gamer, Omoboye, against Kotoku Royals, no, na, and also the Nchemuka Krademaye, Edifa game, there was Sanya, Omuramo, na Ankoye, na Femudi and Joy Kamian, so Yentia Coach Karum Muzito after the game.
You know, this is football for you. I always say that nobody can say he knows everything about football. But the nice thing about football is you always will have the opportunity either to improve or to make amendments. Today is one of the days we had a bad day today. And then I also talk about consistency. When you look at my team today, and look at my previous selection, you can easily see almost 5 players did not play. Why? Because of the yellow cards and injury. So that seriously affected my team, and it affected the play again. So as I kept on saying, consistency goes with quality. But when the eagle eye of red card, yellow card, injury set in, definitely it will spoil. So we saw it today. That we were not very, very consistent, and then I mean the game wasn't for us today, so that's one of those things in football.
Coach Karim Muzito, head coach Adiyama Bobo Kwani Din, and so the Dreams FC and our tenant and Canon now. Oh, we are crowned on Sunday to your players or mess out on your players or your key players. Edema Dreams Bobo Kwani Nina Nom the Tom, which you almost say game on the ball against Kerala United on Saturday. No, Nyama bet me a Kwankai and said to me at the Amomo. Coach Karim Muzito.
I told you of my players, almost 5 of them who have been playing all the time were not part of the team today. So it has affected the way of play. Even though we train together, we do everything together. But that is how football, you may even have the whole squad, but yet you can have a problem. That is how football is. And then again, that is why we don't talk, we don't say you've done well. You see, I have to cite them to take that victory over this team out of their mind. Now it's like the bigger ones were down here how much more the smaller ones. So that also is another factor that brought us down. So far so good. That is football. We are going back and then try very hard to correct the mistakes and come back on Sunday against Karela.
Coach Karim Zito na woten Nkano double as technical director Edema Dreams FC Bobo Kono. Abdul Jalilu aya captain Edema Dreams. Ono so de to yanim say game no there nyama nko ye amfa ma Dreams Bobo Kono. Omo ye bia na so far na amfa ma Dreams Bobo Kono. Abdul Jalilu.
Well, first of all, it's a big pain. Actually, I don't know what to say, but sometimes, you know, when these things happen, you need to lift up yourself and your guys and look forward to the next game. So what I would say about it is, there is nothing we can do about it. We just need to calm ourselves down and look forward to our next game.
Eno eye Abdul Jalilu ono eye captain Edema Dreams FC Bobo Kono ena wote say ono so den nsam ede to yenim after say game no eba na wie ye yankwa Accra Sports Stadium na eno so yankwa hwe ne yakoso enso ewo ho no mo Great Olympics ehye kabako editi a Accra Heart of Folk omantumi ante na head coach Edema Olympics eye coach Bismarck Kobi Mensa we the second game obo as coach Edema Accra Great Olympics wanya victory no na game ni be na wie no eno no so e kire tactical planner ode ewura game name enya sa nkudimdie no Edema Accra Great Olympics.
So I have to use about 5-6 days to prepare these boys. In terms of even their endurance, their stamina was bad. The very first day I saw them on last Tuesday. So I told you before the game that we were going to win this game or get a very good result through on tactical grounds. You saw it. They saw more of the ball. By the end, we have gotten the most important 3 points.
You kept your shape at the back with Gripman, Setcher until his exit, and then Adomako. In midfield, you kept your shape. But in the second half, you switched tactics a bit and you got the goal. Did you beat us to tactics?
I told you that and you have done that. Seriously, the credit goes to the players. They have worked very hard with discipline.
And no coach Bismarck Kobi Mensa and Otese on also and then somewhere to ye na Slavko Matic and soon a head coach Edema Heart of Folk. Slavko Matic say coach I would no the more the money there anko ye kura and so to me and farmer na ose o referee ono ehwe ye tutu nioma ade ema game no ne performance no wo fam na o hwe said ya osi edi game no especially in the first half no as a basketball and a has team no and so ya boy yentie coach Slavko Matic.
It is not good, but maybe 20 fouls offense we have first half. Like we play basketball today. We cannot play, especially first half. You cannot cover everything with one red card on the end. Fortunately, we have one chance from 5 meters against striker. New striker. We bring him to score goals, but we didn't score. We lose from nothing, as you see. And after you give one red card to cover yourself, they're not going like that. They're not going like that.
Are you beginning to feel the pressure with the results not coming the way you want?
Next game will show. Next game will show. Definitely, we are ready to be champion or no, because we have more games. Win against Asante Kotoko. But like this, referees, we have big problem. I'm waiting some reaction, but we don't have any reaction. This is not first time. I'm very disappointed with these things. We hope that we will take points. We must believe how much you are big, how much you believe in yourself. That's it.
Will your players recover, the injured players, will they recover before the game?
They must. It's not about what you want. They must. Thank you for support for our fans. Thank you for support.
Better luck next time.
Slavko Matic and the other supporters now say, na odini na kwasha referee no say referee no more than money na nkoyie no more than money wo fam amwa has bobo kono Slavko Matic wasa has coach we di omo wasa papa wasa na ukomi dia team na so ya coach ani dia di Omar Rabi one so resign e dia free media adwuma ono so we yenim and they say media team na confirm say head coach Omar Rabi wa resign e dia free adwuma na ɔyɛ as head coach ɛde ɛma Midiama Bobo kono ɛno ɛnso yɛ nefiri ɔde ɛba ɛna afei yɛnkɔ Cristiano Atwa so ɛnso kakra na yɛnhwɛ nkɔmɔ efiri hɔ ɛnso tumi ɛde ɛba na emom kɔ Fatau Ishaku aso yɛ bra Facebook ɔno nso wobɛhu ne nkɔmɔ no sani esi ɛkɔm ɛwɔ Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Fatau Ishaku Sporting Lisbon okwa under 19 no Iofa Youth League ɔno nso egyina mu ɛde ɛma Sporting Lisbon under 19 na ɔbɔ game against Ayas Boboko no onya hat-trick ɛwɔ saa game nim ɔba ne videos ni bi etwa gu Facebook ɔbaba behu sɛne a ne mɔdemɔ no ɛnso etumi ɛkɔyɛ ɛde ɛma Sporting Lisbon under 19 na the Black Stars of Ghana defender Daniel Amate ɔwɔ Leicester City aso abrante Ndra wɔn nso akɔyɛ adɔyɛ ɛde ama Cristiano Atwa abusua na nipa odi anim ɛne kɔyɛ no ɛyɛ former 17 star Awudu Isaka ɔno ɛna odi team n'anim ɛde adɔyɛ a abrante de Amate ɛyɛ no ɛnso kɔma Atwa abusua ɔkɔ sika no ɛyɛ 10 Ghana cedis ɛna de ɛkɔ ɛna afei ɔhyɛ nsuo ɛnso ahoroɔ na ɔde kɔ na ɛyɛ sɛ 50 cartons bi deɛ ɛno nso mu ɛnso hɔ ma ni na no ɛyɛ adɔyɛ a abrante a de Daniel Amate ɛnso ɛyɛ ɛde Atwa ɛnso tua enti ɛno ɛne nea ɛfɔ ɛde ɛbanya ɛdoma ɛna second aka place ɛsɛ Atwa yɛba bedi no 1 week ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ nti yɛde Grace Ashi ni mu a ɔnso abɔ ɛde ma Atwa no ɛna ɛbɛsɔre ɛɛ so ɛnso yɛ ɛnsa no na afei A.K.A ato aso ɛde nti Grace Ashi ɛso ayɛ nice music ɛde ama yɛ nea Cristiano Atwa sɛ Atwa enjoy na afei ɔnkada aminam na ɔndwe ne bɔ na afei ɔmprepare ama yɛn ɛwɔ heaven emre ni du a yɛba ne aba bɛ no Ashi yɛnkɔ
Alright, then Pastor Paradise na system ni nyina no so no watumi dey aba great Ashi as on so no tribute song na no so na dey ye nua Cristiano Atwa Sam and ne so no etugo no so so na dey wie ye ko ba sha no so sam memeda na 1 week you know so eba so Ajinga School Park and ne no Cristiano Atwa Sam ono so na watch it down no so no ebe koso yenyina ebe ko na fin so no kote china bibia ayaka kan me da ayi jolo ayi I say trusted circle asan ko circle so no o dem ya tuja se dia no na ebe pound me da ni mo na ni no from trusted circle 187 circle 187 okay what you see I know me dem ana mo be pound to man you know family Umbrana fin circle 187 okay. Na to kama mo national circle chairman Obeba mpanyinfo awo wa sa ko bobo ko